If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Yes, if you block the pressure of the sneeze, it can cause a rupture of the eardrums, irritation of the throat, and, in the worst cases, rupture of blood vessels in your brain or eyes. People say bless you when you sneeze because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. Your heart doesn't stop completely, but it may slow down or skip a beat. But it has nothing to worry about.